Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So as you guys have already read the title and Raksha Bandhan is coming, so I thought why not to make a video on that. So today I'm going to create a very super easy festive look. Okay, I hope सबको अच्छा लगेगा. At the end of the video, do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so yeah, let's get into it. I've already prepped my skin for that, so I'm moving on with my foundation. Honestly, you don't get time on the festive day, so I'll tell you, you can go in with 4 products. Okay, concealer, mascara, blush, or lipstick, and that's it. And if you have time, you can go on and on and on. Okay, I'm using a blender. Just blend this out. And dab it into your skin properly. I've applied too much. Blend it, blend it, blend it. On my neck. Blend it out perfectly to get an even tone. Next product, I'm using concealer in my under eye area. Okay, because I have a dark circle. Just a little bit. Girls, it's better if you have a very small beauty blender, or if you have that brush. A little on my forehead, my nose, my chin. And now I'm going to bake my face and my under eye area. Okay, I'll give it some time to set it in. Till then, I'm going in with my eye area. And for my eyes, starting with my brows, I will keep it natural only. Okay, I'm just going to brush it out. Yes, done. And for eyeshadow, okay, I'm going to play around with the green or reddish or copper colors. First, I'm going to take a darker shade, a dark shade, and I'll dab it into my crease area. Now I'm going to blend it. Now I'm going to take a lighter shade, a parrot green, and I'm going to put it on my lid area. Okay, we won't leave any harsh lines. Mix it properly. And now I'm going to use a copper shade on top of that. Okay, now we are using one green shade in the inner corner. And we are going to blend it, we are going to mix it. Eyeshadow is almost done. Okay, now I'm going to apply some mascara, but before that I'm using liner, a very thin stroke. Okay, now we'll put some mascara. Girls, if you curl your lashes before applying mascara, you'll get volume. We'll use some highlighter on the brow bone as well. Okay. And for contouring, I'm using this contouring stick. Okay, caramel shade. Very light strokes. Other cheek. Yes. I'm going in with my blusher. Very gorgeous color. Looks stunning. Okay, done with the blusher. I'm going to highlight it little bit. Okay. Yes. A little on my nose, my forehead, my cupid bow. I am obsessed with this L'Oreal highlighter. It's very beautiful. Now, okay, the last part, I'm using this lip liner. First, I'm using this Maybelline Madison Red. On top of that, apply some gloss. And bam, you're ready for your Raksha Bandhan. Yes guys, this is the final look. Okay, I hope you like my video. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे प्लीज़ कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कमेंट सेक्शन में. Okay, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.